Meet the green Chafer beetle, a stunning insect with a vibrant green color that's sure to catch your eye. It is found in our garden. These beetles are expert navigators, using their distinctive flying patterns to find their way around. Green Chafer beetle's unique feature is its oval-shaped body and ridged elytra. It belongs to the family Scarabaeidae. These beetles have a striking green color with a metallic sheen, which helps them blend in with their surroundings. These are typically found in forests, grasslands, and near flowers, where they feed on nectar and pollen. They are known for their distinctive flying patterns and are often seen flying around flowers during the day. Adult beetles feed on nectar, pollen, and fruits, while larvae feed on plant roots and organic matter.